English Speaking 360 presents the worst thing to do during a conversation. This is tip number 10, and today we will show you a very common mistake that so many English students make during a conversation. Let's go. Here's an example of a conversation. Hi, I don't think I've seen you in class before. Are you new? Yes. Great. I started studying here 3 months ago. It's really awesome. Ah. So, are you from around here? No. I see. I'll grab a cup of coffee before it starts. Want some? No, thanks. Is there a problem in this conversation? Can you spot the problem? The problem is short answers. And this is the mistake that so many students make, giving short answers. So giving short answers is actually the worst thing to do during a conversation. You wonder why, because you think, well, I'm a little shy, but I answer all questions. Are you new? Yes. It's awesome. Are you from around here? No. Do you want some? No, thank you. It's okay, right? No, it's not okay, because giving short answers is the same as saying, I don't want to talk to you. Go away. This is big, because if you give short answers, people will not talk to you. People will leave you alone. So this person here in the example that we just saw, these two people will not become friends. And that is the issue. Now let's try to fix the problem. Hi, I don't think I've seen you in class before. Are you new? The answer before was yes. Now, can you change it? You could say, yes, I'm new. I registered yesterday. Big smile. Do you see the difference? This person who says yes only does not want to talk. Yes, I'm new. I registered yesterday. Extra information plus a big smile. The second answer, the person who says the second answer really wants to talk. And this is what you want. Great. I started studying here 3 months ago. It's awesome. The previous answer was, Instead of this, you could say, oh, really? I'm glad to hear that. That's good, because now in this example, you are showing that you are very interested in the other person. Oh, really? I'm glad to hear that. You could also add a question. What do you like most? This is great. So, are you from around here? No. No is a conversation killer. You should know this already. No. I just moved here from Korea. Hey, now the person is adding some extra information, and it's some really interesting information. Somebody from another country. Ooh. So maybe the person in white here will have many questions to ask. I see. I'll grab a cup of coffee before it starts. Do you want some? No, thanks. Instead of no thanks, hey, follow the lead. Go with the flow. Sure, let's go together. My treat. It's my treat means I'm paying for you, right? My treat. So this way you can make a new friend too, because you're going to grab some coffee together, come back to class, keep chatting, sit together probably, and then become lifelong friends forever. And then you win. Okay, now you understand. Let's practice. I give you a situation. Here we go. Wow, I really like your sweater. It's beautiful. What do you say? I know most people would say thanks or thank you. What does it mean, thanks? I don't like you. Go away. I don't want to talk to you. That is the meaning. Now, make it longer and show that you want to talk. Thanks. I just bought it. It was on sale at Walmart. What does this answer mean? It means, talk to me, please. I'm interested. Please, please, please keep talking. I want a new friend. That's what it means. Let's practice again. Hi, this place is great. Do you come here often? Most people would just say no, but then again, you know what no means. It means go away. How about this? No, it's my first time here. Actually, I'm new in town. Okay, so there is extra information, a long answer here plus extra information, so talk to me, please. That's what it means. Last practice at the subway station. Excuse me, have you been waiting long? Yeah. It means go away. What can you say instead of yeah? Yeah, about 30 minutes. I think there's a problem. And that means talk to me. So you're giving extra information. I've been waiting for 30 minutes. I think there is a problem on the subway line, or maybe there is a problem at the station just before our station. So it means talk to me. So remember, the key points for today are very simple. Don't give short answers. Show that you are interested, and also show that you want to talk. If you do these things, people will want to be friends with you. Good job, guys. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.